Rock. Show Grandpa.
Yay.
Say hi, Grandpa Lawrence. Can you say thank you for giving my horse, Grandpa Lawrence? Say thank you, Grandpa Lawrence.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, horse, Grandpa Lawrence.
You love it, don't you?
That will make your grandpa feel good.
Grandma's turn.
Grandma's turn.
Can you rock 2 more times? Rock really big.
Rocking, rocking, rocking. Whee!
Rocky.
Rocking.
You know how to work it. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, look at that. You can get a
Giddy
once you get it
up,
going
horsey.
all over, you can get all over the room with it.
You can get, it's a mode of transportation.
Yeah.
You can get around on that horsey. Rocking, rocking.
Mitchell used to tie all sorts of things to his, and then he would drag the whole horse and the